Welcome to today's special video. We will take you to the most dangerous moments where even a small mistake can lead to a catastrophic accident experience. These stressful situations, let's get started.
नारा गांव की फाटक से आप ये वीडियो देख पा रहे हो। जो है गाय जो है मालगाड़ी ट्रेन के आगे बिल्कुल अड़ गई, हटने का नाम
गाड़ रही है के जमक हाथ का सारा आ रही है तो हाँ आहो पब्लिक लाग रही है ये नहीं मारने बस है मारने बस है जमक इंजन के सर आ रही है थोड़ी चोट की मार बस मार
The donkey was hit by a train, no chance left. A horse ran between two trains close together, but luckily the horse was not harmed. Speeding car caught by police at railway crossing. The cows are fine. They just moved to another farm north of here and are enjoying the tall green grass with their family. Female driver fell asleep while crossing train tracks leading to collision. Parking a truck on a railroad track is always unwise. Heart-stopping moment. Driver flees from his 4x4 stuck on train tracks.
Ебать! Пизда! Пизде! Ты нахазайся маркетинг цыган. Whoa!
The woman hurriedly crossed the tracks as the barrier was lowered. After a few seconds, she hurriedly ran back as the train rushed past. The car was pulled off the tracks by another car as the train approached. This is the moment a car was hit by an express train as the driver tried to cross a level crossing.
Jesus. Jesus.
What are you doing?
This old man is going crazy with his dog. Unnecessary risk.
Oh, shit. No!
A freight train crashed into an artillery car stuck on the tracks in South Carolina.
Komm, jetzt kracht's doch gleich. Hier, jetzt kracht's, jetzt kracht's! Wahnsinn. Leute, das glaubt ihr nicht.
A driver collided with a speeding train after jumping a barrier and trying to speed to the other side of the tracks in Miami, Florida. The van hit the barrier trying to cross the railway but got stuck just as the train was coming.
Paramount.
The Utah Transit Authority has released footage from a crash involving one of its front-runner trains last week. The guy sacrificed himself to save the old man from the dangerous railway in a spectacular way. He is truly a brave man. CCTV footage has captured the moment a man in the Czech Republic narrowly escaped death after being hit by a speeding train. Heroes don't have capes. The man risked his life to save a dog from being crushed under a train. What a brave act. Stuck on the tracks, VinFast VF E34 was thrown forward by a train. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. The moment a pickup truck deliberately crossed the railway and was hit by a train, this is the punishment for drivers who show stubbornness. Horrific disaster. The moment a French high-speed TGV train crashed into a tractor-trailer stuck on the tracks, crushing everything in an instant, while a farmer stood by helplessly, in despair and utter horror. The driver of a car pulling a trailer lost control at a railway crossing and was hit by a train, but fortunately, no one was injured in the incident.
Hang on. Take a picture, dude. Take a picture.
Moment train and truck collide in South Carolina. Police have released video footage of the moment a passenger train collided with a truck at a level crossing in the Olomouc area of Bellaloy on Tuesday morning. It burst into flames immediately after the collision. One of the most horrific accidents when a stupid cyclist got stuck at a level crossing and abandoned his bike only to be crushed by the raging Ma'akashal Express. Train derails in Verdigris, Oklahoma, March 2023. Fortunately, no one was injured. A train collided with a double-decker bus carrying Thai tourists at an unguarded railway crossing in central Thailand. About 30 passengers were injured. This is the shocking moment. A driver fled his car just seconds before a freight train crashed into it and destroyed it after it stalled on the tracks.
Nope, he's not gonna stop. Oh man. Oh man. Holy hell. Wow. He was in that cab too.
Jetzt kracht's! Wahnsinn.
Be extra vigilant when it comes to trains and their crossings. We assume that the lights will warn us of approaching trains. In this case, they are not. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content.